Hello to all my friends out there. And so, have any of you ever had this experience? Someone calls and goes, come to my party and can you bring something? And you say to yourself, no. One thing, I'm busy. Two things, I don't want to spend much money. You know, that's the last thing I want to do. Well, okay. I have some good ideas. I love picnics and parties, as you all know who know me. So what I did is I had in my stockpile some regular old chocolate chips. I bought them probably from the 99-cent store. And I just melted them. I don't need a double boil or anything. I have this is some powdered milk. So I put a little in just to get my chocolate creamy, and you can make these the night before. And then I went to 99-cent only, and I bought some strawberries. So I just want to dip my strawberries in chocolate. I just want to coat my strawberries with a goodly amount of. I want to get them looking cute. You know, I want to be creative and you know, get my chocolate on here cute. It's pretty easy to do. You just want to, you know, swirl it around so it's cute. As cute as you can possibly, you know, arrange it. And you can make these the night before too. It just takes a minute, and believe me, if you take these, there won't be any left. None. And then over here I have some margarine on a pan, and then once this chocolate hardens a little bit, I'm going to move them over to my plate and refrigerate them. And if I turn the heat off, but if your chocolate starts to, you know, harden up, you just turn the heat back on for a minute. This is as easy as it is. A lot of people like to eat fruit for dessert. Fruit is good if you make it festive. See how these are going to be so cute? I'm just making 6 because if I make more, I will eat them all myself. That's okay. It's only 6. And at 99-cent only, they had the blueberries and the strawberries for 99 cents. So you can make quite a few. And so all you have is chocolate chips. You have a little milk. You have some strawberries, some blueberries. You know, if you go to one of these places, you know, that sells the fruit, it can be a little bit pricey. You know, you want to take some nice treats to your party, but you don't want to go broke. I would suggest refrigerating them a little while before removing them from the cookie sheet. You know, I was working a lot, and I thought, wow, you know, it's about that time for a little fiesta. I'm going to make some flautas. I'm just going to make my regular old taco filling, and I'm going to fill up my flour tortillas and fry them, and, you know, have them like on a little salad. And, you know, make a little fiesta. Why not? It's easy enough. So you can see my little strawberry treats are looking pretty tasty and pretty impressive, you know, for your guests. You know, if I wasn't a hairdresser all of my life, I would have liked to have been some kind of caterer or party planner. I could have had so much fun doing that. I did do a lot of beautiful hairstyles. I will give myself credit for that. But I sure am enjoying this now. This is fun. All right, now let me give you a close-up. And women love chocolate. Okay, and then back here I bought some caramel lollipops to go with my fruit. And if you make a big tray, I bought these for $1. If you have a bigger crowd, you know, you can buy more. So, okay, here you have it. Tasty treats.